Here he goes again. Another open garage. He's just got such a good smell. Look, right for the trash can. Right in the garage. Look at that. Dude. And goes again, man. Pillaging people's garages for food. No, he's trying to open their door. Look, he got that one open too. He totally just opened their fridge. I can't get closer to show you a better view, but he's opening up their fridge. Just taking their food out right now. That is too funny. These people are gonna hear him. He's in their refrigerator right now. He got something. He got him some food. He's gonna sit down and eat it. Yes, he got in your fridge. He's sitting here, right here, eating. And if you try to close your garage, it'll hit him. It's okay. Tell him it's okay and not to call the. Don't call anybody, please. Don't call anybody, please. He's eating food that he just got out of the fridge. They're trying to. Yeah, you're fine. He's not. Your refrigerator is open right now. Yeah, he's right here on the back end of this Lexus or the Honda. Yeah. I am. I'm getting lots. It's the second refrigerator he opened. Hey buddy, you better bounce, man. Somebody's gonna call on you, man. I'm worried about you. You need to just go, man, before you get in. I don't want the trappers coming. I don't want the trappers to come and get him, Dad, so try not to get them to call. Please don't call animal control, please. You can scare him if you want, Dad. Yeah? Yeah, I'm good. He doesn't seem to be bothered. There he goes. All right, he's out. Close the garage. Close the garage. Yeah, close that garage.